Alright guys, let's do this tutorial. First you want to bring in whether a picture, then let me bring the picture in. Okay, I just have it at that. Or you could bring in a video. Okay, let me get rid of the sound for now. Let me extend this really quick so we have a longer here's our video and here's our picture. Now you can create your text using Paint just as long you have two different color. It doesn't have to be you could tutorial two different color. You could use white, blue, whatever color you decide, as long as you have two different color. Okay, but the only problem with the Paint is that I don't know the exact resolution or exact placement of my title. So instead of doing on Paint, you could just do everything in Davinci Resolve. So instead of figuring out where to place them at, I could just do it all in Davinci Resolve. So how you do that? Let's just start with the picture. Okay, let me enlarge the picture really quick, or I get in the position that I wanted it, maybe like right here. Okay, now just add a background color. So you could go to solid color and add a background. If you don't have solid color here, I believe it didn't generate. Here it is, solid color is under the tab generator. And if you don't have this open, no worry, just go up here to your effect library and you're able to have these library selection for your video. So put in a solid color. Okay, you could use black, you could change the color here to blue if you want. Oops, and then bring this up. You change the blue, purple, however you want, or for now I keep out black. Okay, once you got that down, you could go ahead to your title and bring in your text. Okay, so now you have a text here, and there you could figure out exactly the size and the area that you want, or the placement of your text, instead of having to go to Paint and then try to figure out the placement. Sometimes here you have to adjust it, but right here you don't have to open another program, Okay, so here you can select your font. Say let's just say I decided to use this one, and I increase my size. Let's make this bold. Okay, tutorial, let's bring this up. So right here, that's big enough. I think that's big enough, right? What do you think? Okay, you can also decide the spacing, say like this. Bring this up a little bit more. Okay, now once you got that done, you can now all you have to do is just create it into a compound clip, so that way you merge these two together. Whatever stuff that you created or you add to it, you could just create it into one clip. That way it's easy to work with. So I'm gonna merge these two together. I'll just select this two, right click, and then new compound clip. Name it whatever you want, and we have this clip here is all in one now. Now what you have to do now, just go down to the color. You can do everything on Fusion, but you know, let's just make this easy as much as possible. So let's just go down to color. So in your color tab, so I'm just gonna create another, just create another node. Doesn't matter. You can change the color if you want or not. But from here, what you want to do is use the qualifying tool and select on the part that you want to have transparency. So for here, we want the text. So we want the video in the text. So we're just gonna make the tutorial here transparency. So I just click on the right. Now we have the, if you were to look over here, let me see. Okay, so see, I just select the right, but that's not the part, so all you have to do is just invert it. So here. Anyway, once you select the part that you want to have to be transparency, you go down here, right click and add an alpha output. Okay, now you have an output here. Just have to drag this and put it here. Now you have the image inside the text. So if earlier I click on this button here, in case you missed it, okay, what it does is it change which part that you want to have transparency. You either want the black part or you want the white part. So you just switch it over and then you have the inside part. Okay, now from here you just go back. Okay, now we have the picture inside. Now let's do the video. Same thing what you just did earlier. In case you forgot, you just have to bring in the background. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure you get how you do it. So let's just delete this for now. Let's just bring this over. Okay, since you already have everything done, let's just bring this over. Okay, now you have the video inside the text. Now you can also animate this. Let's just put it, let's just start from here, and let's just put in a keyframe here. Okay, probably the angle too, this if you want. So we have a keyframe here. Now we bring this to, let's just say here, and then you just zoom in, bring it down. I decided to go with the O. Let's go with the O. Okay. Alright, so let's see how this goes. It's kind of slow. So we just make it faster. Now let's reset this and start right here. Add a keyframe. And then let's just bring it like right here. Okay, and then just zoom in. Like that. Okay, that seems good enough. Alright, now I want to add another text to it. Before I do that, let's just reset this. I don't want to animate this yet, so I want to add another text below here. So I just bring in my text. Okay, and then let's bring this down. Let's change this to and then text, video in text. Okay. So that's the cool thing about it. You can just pretty much do everything in Davinci Resolve. And I want to animate it together with this, so I'm going to have to compound this again. That way it become one piece. Okay. Now I'm going to animate this just like I did earlier. So I'm just going to use this and this. And then I'm just going to go maybe like here. And then I'm just gonna zoom in. Alright, perfect. So as I go back, actually it's too early. I have to do this again. It's too early. I want at least some time frame here. And then I zoom in. Cool. Alright, that's how you do video in your text. So I hope this video helped. I see you guys next time.